Just wanted to make another video in reference to the Press One Cash system. This system is so simple. And again, I tell people all the time, it doesn't require any tech skills. Basically, the only thing you're doing is sharing your phone number that they assign you once you come in. Again, they give you so many resources to market. Let me actually log back in here to market your Press One phone number. And again, it can be used for any business. Doesn't matter if you're doing travel, if you're selling lotions and potions, you're selling digital products, you're a real estate agent, you're an insurance agent. You just market that phone number, and once they press one, whatever website that you want to have them go to, it's what's going to pop up on their phone. And these are your resources right here. They have so many different resources that you can use. Again, your only goal is to get people to dial that number, right? When they press one, they automatically get your website, whatever website you want to use, on their cell phone. Now, if you want to use just the Press One website and just sell Press One, you can do that. If you want to use any business, you can plug that in. This is my email. As you can see, people are joining like crazy. Member under you right here, member join under you, member join under you. So you can see right now that the system is booming. Again, it's fairly new. So a lot of people are kind of starting to hear the buzz about Press One. Let me show you the actual capture page here, because the capture page is really good. And it actually shows you, it breaks down exactly how the system works. Let me put this in over here. There's my autoresponders right there. All right, how the system works. Again, you get your own text number. It comes with 100 free credits. You can start marketing right away. Your own back office training. You make 200 on every single sale, right? It's a one-up comp plan. So you get the first sale of every one that you bring in, and the prospects call your assigned number, and then automatically they hear the message. You can change the message if you want to change it to something different, to advertise a different business. They press one, and then your website automatically pops up on their phone. So really all you're doing is advertising your phone number. And the good thing about this system is that sometimes when you do like text message marketing and you want to send like a blast of text out, a lot of times phone carriers, if you didn't notice, phone carriers will block some of those links. Even with Facebook, when you're marketing on Facebook, a lot of people will use their link to get people into their business, and then Facebook will start blocking links, right? Facebook doesn't block phone numbers. So if you're advertising your phone numbers to get people to your business, that's going to be completely safe. Sometimes Facebook would blacklist the links because so many people are using the same links all over Facebook. But if you have a phone number, that's going to work completely different. Again, Press One Cash system gives you your own phone number. You can market any business. You can promote the business itself and make $200 per sale. It's an easy system. It doesn't require any tech skills. Literally, if you can just get your phone number out there to different platforms, whether you're marketing online, offline, you're doing YouTube videos. I got 2,000 flyers coming that I'm going to basically canvas the area with, because everyone is trying to make their own economy, right? Everyone's trying to make extra money. Even if you made 4 sales a month, that's an extra $800. What can that do for you and your family? By advertising an actual service that everyone can use, guys. I'm always preaching services above and beyond your main business, because everyone can use this to help grow their business. So again, just showing you some results. People are coming in like crazy, as you can see here. And then, I'm sorry, wrong side here. And then again, you can use your Press One number to market any business. So I'll leave the link below if you want to take a look at it, get started. I'll leave the phone number, give it a call, and you can try it for yourself and see how easy it is. And the text message comes through right away. It's an instant text message when they press that one. So how many people can you get to press one to start earning extra income, either for your primary business or to just market the system itself? So guys, I'll see you